I'm repeating it. Hash include standard input output dot h is the prepossessive directories integer because you are using the variables. You want to take the data from the users, so you will take write integers. Main functions you have we use, and after that the body will be started, and the body will be started with the curly brackets. The starting and the closing curly brackets will be appeared when you have entered the line number 3 curly bracket. You will enter the click and you press the enter key. Here you will write, first you will declare the variables. Okay, first you will declare the variable. Suppose I want to take the sum of two variables and the sum करें and product भी. ठीक है, sum and product of two variables, and these variable is separated by commas. ठीक है, and I have taken the four variables. A variable name of the variables, A name value, A name, A and B both will be used as an input, and the value of these variable will be saved in when we have applied the sum formula over here, and when we have applied the product formula, the value will be stored over there. Clear? Okay, after that first we want to take the value from the users. Okay, okay, when we want to take the when we want to display something, which type of the syntax we will be use? Print. Okay, commas, escape sequence, enter the values, two values, clear? And the and must be terminated with semicolons. After that scan f, अब हमने यूजर्स वैल्यूज लेनी है, ये एज इट इज अपीयर होगा ना, एंटर द टू नंबर्स. scan f syntax था control string. Control strings we have used percentage d. Clear? Percentage d is a format specifier where the value will be assigned two numbers है ना, that is why we will use the two values, comma and a, comma and b, and must be terminated with semicolons. After that you will be apply the formula sum is equal to a plus b semicolon, pro is equal to a multiply by b semicolons. After that we want to display the the result of it. We will take the statement print f, escape sequence, the sum of two values is, here I will write the again percentage d. ठीक है, यहाँ percentage d में values आएंगी separated by comma and write a, comma b terminated with semicolons. Second statement print f, small brackets, and enter the pro of two values is percentage D, comma A, comma B. Space नहीं देनी. A, comma B must terminate it. After that, the program has been completed. Clear? Okay. The next step is, after when you have completed the program, you go to execute and compile it. Before compiling, they ask to save it. Okay. Sum and product program. Okay. Save it. Okay. The error is, वो इसको नहीं accept करेगा, इसको हम remove कर देते हैं. No. Execute it, compile it. Clear? No errors and no warning. पहले एक error था, वो हमने remove किया, उसने हमें highlight भी किया. Clear? Clear, girls? No errors, no warning. Oh, good. It means we have write the exact programs. ओके खतीजा, आपके लिए सपोज के अगर यहाँ पे आपने फार्मूला के बाद सेमी कॉलन नहीं लगाए, ठीक है, अगेन कंपाइल इट, द एरर इज देयर. क्लियर? वो एरर आ गया, मुझे देर है. ओके, हम सेमी कॉलन, कंपाइल इट, कंप्लीटेड. क्लियर? नाउ रन इट. Go to run. Okay, first we have written enter the two numbers. Appear हुआ. Suppose 23 and 44, 5. Okay. पुराना हो गया. Enter the enter two numbers. 23 suppose, second number 6. Now add it. Sum will be added.
स्क्रीन नहीं शो हो रही.
स्क्रीन नहीं शो हो रही.
नहीं.
Okay. Girls, here I have. Okay. ये स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है ना. ओके, यहाँ पे हमने सम लिखना था, सॉरी. ठीक है, सम, क्योंकि सम यहाँ पे शो होगा ना, और यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिखना था, प्रो. नाउ कंपाइल इट. ठीक है, रन इट. अब स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही.
यस मैम.
Okay, enter two numbers 23 and 4, sum 27. लेकिन वो क्यों नहीं आ रहा. कंटिन्यू. और प्रोडक्ट हमें शो नहीं हो रहा. लेकिन सम clear. Basic thing is that how to enter the values of it. Concept is clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, ये है scan f जो हम लास्ट स्टेटमेंट पढ़ी. ये two values we have taken. How to will enter the values. And a is the name of the variables, and the percentage d where the value of a will be assigned. ठीक है, and percentage d, second percentage d is the